Ahoy, mateys. High Thumos. You already know what it is. This is the Pirates Buffet meal special. Cooking with Elijah. I'm glad you guys are here. So you've had the Pirates gruel, you've had the Pirates bread, but you need meat, right? You need meat. Meat is going to help you get the booty in which you seek. So today we're going to be making Pirates curry. This is one of the best meals I've ever had. I haven't met a soul that does not like it. Everyone likes this meal. So give it a try and let me know what you think. To it, normally we would use onions, sauteed a little bit, but we don't have any on the ship. So we're just gonna use a little bit of olive oil. We're gonna turn our heat to medium, a little above. Get yourself a nice cold Clairbrain. Toss your meat into the pan. Boom, we're cooking. We're gonna hit it with a little bit of this chili powder. Don't go too much or you will pay. You will pay. And I don't want to hear any Indian bros, no Pakistani guys coming on this channel saying, that is not curry. Yeah, it is curry. This is Pirates curry. We steal recipes from other cultures. This is my curry. Now, once our meat is cooked, we're going to build a recipe you can't find in any book. We're going to hit it with a pinch. We're going to pour in some niche. Hit it with this spice. Set aside some rice. Hit it with a cup of peas. Top it with a handful of some mozzarella cheese. Hit it with the corn. Almost time to blow the horn. Top it with some gurt. Finish with a skirt. All right, as you can see, we are done here. Look at that. Boom. We're gonna plate this. All right, gentlemen, here we have it. Pirates curry with some Cholula sauce on top. What do you say we give this a little taste? Ooh, ain't no way. Ooh, ain't no freaking way.